Alright, so first of all, everybody, you have sacrificed your Sunday. On Sunday, huh?
We are investing my Sunday.
You are investing yourself.
Yes.
What have you got today?
Sir, I got experience. About
What kind of experience have you got?
the mock interview. It would be helpful for me.
It
in
would be-
real life.
Oh, that's fantastic. What was the feedback by the interview today? What is your self-analysis
Sir, it was better comparison before this.
in comparison to before days? Good. The topic I'm giving you, everybody, right now, how do you see youth of this country? How do you see youth of this country?
Sir, I would like to say that if we talk about all youth, so some youths are definitely distracted their path, but some youths also focus, they are just breaking the chain of their family.
Hey, my question was, how do you see youth? Do
Sir,
not see youth as a problem.
No, sir. Youth are doing something good in this era. Like they are also focused on their interpersonal skill. From the old era, so many youths are not focusing on that. They are only focusing on the bookish knowledge. But now they all are focused on their skill also, and they develop that.
True. Find out. Vaibhav, how do you see youths?
So at one point I see the youth is distracted towards the usage of new technology, but at the other side I see youth as finding new ways to earn. They do not see earning as a permanent kind of a thing. They kind of multitasking they do. They do not stick to one job like earlier people used to stick to just one particular kind of job, and they just take it as their career option. But right now they look up to many multiple things at the same time in order to diversify their income. That is one good thing that I see in the today's youth. At some point I do feel that the youth is more in some ways distracted towards the technology. Like with the emergence of social media, the youth has distracted from their path at a very early age, which was not the case in earlier times. Like the youth is more accustomed to using social media, and they have kind of taking their studies up to the chat GPT option. Like they consider their study as an option where they can take help from internet rather than they just create their own thoughts, and they just do not see themselves as a foundation, as someone they would like to see themselves in their future. They would love, they definitely want themselves to become, to be someone, but they do not want themselves to fully force themselves in that path in order to be that one. Like if I talk about the recent incident, I talked some of the students, and they were CA students, and they were actually like the exams is coming on, like it's a full-on journey. Like CA, we all know that it's the toughest exam, and they have to give in their time in order to be at a respectable position. But irrespective of that, knowing that those things are there, they just spend their time more towards each other. They'll just go on a vacation, use social media apps, and they'll just marginalize their study. Rather than fully focusing on their study and going to that path, they are more usage of the technology. They are more labors of the technology in today's time, which was not the case in earlier times, because there was less distraction in terms of social media.
Okay.
That's why earlier teachers, earlier professionals which are at their respectable position, they do not consider, they consider today's youth as diversified. You know, diverted towards these things, and they're more towards relationships, which earlier times used to be used to come at a later stage of life, at about 26 or 28. But right now, the youth is just want to enhance these things more at a very young age. They just want to explore these things at a very young age.
But don't you think that because of doing multiple things, we are able to find ourselves? And earlier, as you told that earlier, the people used to think one thing and they used to do one thing. Because they did not have multiple things to do. That's why they were doing one thing.
Yeah. So as you
So they were not living that sophisticated life. They were not living that lavish life. So but now why do youths go on social media? That's a big question. Because they want to find their own version.
it is true.
So why to blame youth? Because we are the youth and many people are watching us as well. Maybe they can get scared. They can they can be very terrified. Oh my God, we are here on social media. We are doing this. For me, doing multiple things is also good.
It's good. It's
Because
definitely
we can
good.
know ourselves, right?
Very true.
And the second thing I would like to tell you that doing many things is also good thing.
It is good.
Get in the way, huh?
As we know all that every coin has two sides.
Exactly.
Right. So there are good sides to it, but surely there are bad sides to it. Like using social media for their own good and exploring multiple sides, it's never a bad option. It's definitely a good option.
Vaibhav, if see in your perspective, if a person is using social media can be wrong, but in my perspective he can be good as well. So let us talk about the outcome of using or doing anything. If someone is drinking wine, is that okay?
It's definitely okay up till the limit he consumes it in a limit.
First of all, we need to know that why is he consuming. We need to know why he is consuming actually. Exactly. And we are none to say that you are bad.
True.
Likewise, if a youth is doing something, we are none to say that it's bad. So let us come to the outcome of anything. If a youth is doing something, what is the outcome of that?
Firstly, the thing is, whatever we do, we should be mindful of what the things can come, what the things can go in what direction. Like if something good happens or if something bad happens, what are the possible outcomes? And am I ready for the outcomes? Am I ready to accept?
See, outcome would be there of everything. We are here on Sunday today talking on this topic.
True.
So we have outcome. We will just develop our wisdom.
But at the same time, I know myself that if I spend my day at a fruitful thing, if I do spending my time over it.
We know.
Yeah.
Like here on Sunday we came here. Why? Because we want to develop our wisdom.
Exactly.
So we know already our outcome here.
Yeah.
So if a youth is doing anything, he must know his outcome.
Exactly. He
So
must be mindful of the actions he is doing.
That is why the first question here I asked, that is, how do you see youth? The youths are good enough or youths are on the wrong way?
They are actually spending more time in exploring themselves. So
Okay.
I believe in that matter they are kind of in a good way. They are
Okay.
in a right direction in a way. Up till the extent they don't divert it towards their goal and just
See, I am also youth and you are youth, guys. Sometimes we become very tensed
Yes, sir.
because of multiple statements by so many people.
Yes.
कमा नहीं रहे हो, 30 साल के हो गए हो, बताओ लड़के हो लड़की हो शादी है, मतलब because of this multiple statements we actually start hating ourselves. Really, and that really आपका वो मनोबल तोड़ देता है.
Sometimes it is like don't believe in myself.
Exactly.
Like this.
Exactly. है ना? अच्छा
We
कुछ
said that believe in yourself.
अच्छा कुछ हमें सो कॉल्ड मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर भी मिल जाते हैं.
Yes.
You can do it. But ये हकीकत है guys कि it is not easing us. It is making us busy thinking about us. Are you getting the point now? Easing. What do I mean by the easing? For example, if I am going to Kapurthala Chauraha, I know how to go. People are guiding us to go on. And only because we are confused क्या है सही?
Yes.
अरे I know. But because of अरे नहीं ऐसे जाना वैसे जाना वहाँ ठेला आएगा अब भाई let me go.
For the suggestion, distract the path.
We are not easing our paths. And we have given them this punchline that youths are on the wrong way, they are drinking wine, they are using social media, they are not working, this and that. Are who are you to say, man? Many people told me you should not teach. Many people told me that you should not teach. I asked why? You should prepare for UPSC exam, you should become IAS officer, this and that. अरे मैं कहा वो भी जो देश की सेवा कर रहे हैं हम भी कर रहे हैं उसमें क्या बुरा है? बट उनको लगता नहीं। अच्छा, एक बार उस वाली ऑफिस पे एक आदमी साहब आए, कह रहे मुझे बड़ी तकलीफ हुई आपको देखकर। मैं कहा क्या हुआ? कह रहे इतनी उम्र में, बहुत पहले की बात है, 2-3 साल पहले, कह रहे इस उम्र में तुम टीचिंग कर रहे हो। मैं कहा क्या हो गया? कह रहा भाई पढ़ लो। बहुत तकलीफ हुई थी मुझे उस समय। फिर 2-3 दिन में एनालाइज किया, मैं कहा नहीं ठीक है, मैं जिस लाइन में सही हूँ। एग्जैक्टली, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम। वो जज कर लिया एकदम से कि भाई तुम जिंदगी बर्बाद कर रहे हो। क्योंकि पता है हमारे समाज में टीचिंग जो लाइन है बड़ी बुरी हो गई है। क्यों? हर जगह से हारे तो यही, हर जगह से हार गए। हाँ, ये किए ट्राई, वो ट्राई किए, वो ट्राई किए, अब लास्ट में यही बचा।
Also there in like from the film movie that is hero has said that Manoj like if I didn't get selected today so I would go at my village and I will start teaching.
तो लास्ट ऑप्शन ही बचता ना कि भाई हर जगह सारे टीचिंग कर लें। लेकिन लोगों को नहीं पता कि बंदा हारा नहीं, पहले से जीता हुआ आके पढ़ाया है।
Exactly.
द पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। अच्छा, मैं आके यही कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो पहले टीचिंग कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं सवार रहा हूँ लोगों का व्यक्तित्व। खैर हमारी टॉपिक छोड़िए उस पर। द पॉइंट इज दैट कि हम अपनी जो है बुद्धिमत्ता को, अपनी जो है व्यक्तित्व को कैसे आसान किया जाए यार। क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ मल्टीपल स्टेटमेंट्स बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन में जा रहे हैं हम लोग। हमें जो इतना पैसा कमाना होगा ना, हम इतना ना कमा के इतना कमाएंगे चालों को टेंशन के चक्कर में। तो प्लीज हाउ टू ईज इट?
Sir, there is very biggest problem with youth. Like
With me?
No, sir, with youth.
Achha, you.
With youth, sir. With youth is that like, sir, they don't have self-esteem.
Self-esteem.
They always just impressed by any other person. Like that person has started YouTube channel, so I should also start the YouTube channel. No, we should not start. It can be different. It could be different.
Good statement.
It would be different. It would be difficult for you. So you should not go to the same stream, the same field. You can't decide something else. You can't do something else. And also there is one problem, sir. Like with youth, they just believe on just getting degree.
Oh.
That they should not just believe on getting degree. They should just believe on getting information, the knowledge and skill. Those things would be helpful for us. But we are just getting degree, and after getting degree, we are going into the company for getting job. It would be not, it is not easy.
How can we let people salute our skills? Sometimes we feel that I have this skill, right? But we are unable to be appreciated. How to be appreciated? ये बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है। सब यूथ का मामला है ये। हाउ, देखो फॉर एग्जांपल, हो सकता है इनके पास ज्ञान है, हो सकता है इनके पास जो है स्किल है डांस करने की, हो सकता है इनके पास मेकअप करने की स्किल, हो सकता है इनके पास लिखने की स्किल हो, बट वी आर नॉट बीइंग अप्रिशिएटेड। और जो अप्रिशिएट नहीं हो पाते हैं, देन internally we kill our skills.
Sir, we all have idea about like we are living in society. There is some rules and regulation. We have to follow all these things. We are following it. Sir, we have to
एक
follow
वीडियो
it.
मैंने अपलोड किया है, अपलोडेड
Sir,
में
sir,
वीडियो
sir, sir,
मैरिज पे आपने देखा होगा।
Sir, I'm coming.
मैं कहा रिमेन अनमैरिड, 2-3 मैसेज आ गया कि तुम जो है इसके खिलाफ जा रहे हो, इस कम्युनिटी के खिलाफ जा रहे हो। मैं कहा रिमेन मैरिज, बी इम्पोर्टेंट, दिस एंड दैट, आई डिबेटेड। राइट। अब एक जो है, नाम नहीं लेंगे, जो है उनका बड़ा रौला चलता है हमारे समाज में, रिकॉर्डिंग बुरी। हाँ, आप जो है इस कम्युनिटी के खिलाफ जा रहे हैं, आपने कैसे कह दिया कि ये रहो। हम कहे मेरे भाई डिबेट था, वो हाइपोथेटिकल कम्युनिकेशन है ना। द पॉइंट इज दैट यूथ की जो बात आ गई है, खा रहा है हम लोग।
Because of this reason, na,
Society.
Yes, society, sir. Youth are not considering to them like they are capable to take any action. They just depend on the person. They should not be depend on person. They should just take action because you are mature. You are 18 years old. You can't decide what is the good.
So why to think about the society if we are 18 plus?
That's the problem, na, sir. Firstly, they think they are not considering themselves. They are capable to get any decision by
Who is
themselves.
not considering? Society is people.
Youth, sir.
Youth.
They don't-
Okay.
they don't-
No, you see, no, we should think about society first.
No, sir. We should not think about society. There is society. We are living society.
Is there anybody who's against our wisdom? We should think. Is there anybody who thinks that we should think about society?
There will definitely be someone who will pull you down. No matter what you do, whether you do anything good, there'll someone and other who will pull you down. If you just keep listening to each and every person, you'll never be able to grow up. You'll just stuck over there.
That's a beauty.
You will be stagnant.
There's a very good line I mean somebody sang I think ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार उसके बाद
मेरा इंतकाम देखो।
इंतकाम मतलब बदला।
यस सर।
जब सोसाइटी आपको पुल डाउन करती है ना तभी मजा आती है।
Sir, but if society pull you down, you said that it is a very good.
हाँ exactly.
Sir, but
I really appreciate
because of that reason, so many youth imbibe themselves in a stuck in single room. Like they are not. Yes, they become introvert. They are not show their skill. Like if I am able to, if I can show my skill, then people judge me. People can judge me.
The blood that comes sitting in a room is very and very priceless.
Sir, yes, sir.
कसम से I mean nobody can pay for that. Nobody can. It is unpayable. आँख के रोना।
सर
कभी हमने रोया है ऐसे
Yes, sir.
underneath
रूम में बंद करके
Yes.
किसी लड़का या लड़की के लिए नहीं
no sir not
Sir, खुद के लिए.
बिकॉज ऑफ बाउंड्री बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑब्स्टिकल्स
Yes, sir.
अगर आप रोए होंगे ना कसम से ना रोने के बाद लास्ट में एक लंबी सांस आई होगी
सर उसके बाद फिर नींद बहुत अच्छी आती है.
बस वहीं पे तगड़ा डिसीजन अगर कोई ले लिया तो फिर भाड़ में जाए दुनिया
in childhood
Sir, like for this cabin crew, so many people said that in my relative, my father friends even, my father called them because of to a PG for hostel. That's it. But they give advice. This job is very dirty. Why you are sending your daughter? Sir, literally, I cried a lot in one room because of making passport. मैं झगड़ा करके गई थी कि मैं बनवा के रहूंगी और मैं जाऊंगी मैं रहूंगी. सर हॉस्टल मैंने खुद देखा था गूगल पे. मैंने ऐसे ही भरोसा करके चली आई थी कि मुझे नहीं पता मैं तो जाऊंगी यही करूंगी. सर दे इवन कॉल्ड सो मैनी सर फ्रेंड. My father's friend called him and said that this job is very disgusting. They wear short dresses, they serve wine and
अच्छा सबका जिक्र आपने कर दिया. देखो जॉब कोई भी खराब नहीं होती यार.
yes sir I
शराब बेचना भी जो है जायज़ है अगर वो सिचुएशन में आप हैं. शराब पी रहा है कोई वो भी बुरा नहीं है. कोई किसी को कुछ नहीं. हम तो बस इस दुनिया में दो ही चीज़ को बुरा मानते हैं. रेप नहीं वो भी बुरा नहीं. वो क्या बुरा है? रेप कर देना और किसी का जो है कुछ गलत. अच्छा ये चीज़ें जो आपने मेंशन की हुई कि बिकॉज ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल कॉल्ड माय फादर कि डोंट सिन कहीं ना कहीं इट कैन रियली डीमोटिवेट योर फादर एज वेल.
Sir, I motivated my father.
Tell me microphone.
Sir, people called my father and give advice freely. Why? Who are you to give the advice to my father? If I am doing something wrong, I can tolerate all the things. Why you are called my father?
Exactly.
Sir, I think we should not think about society. We are talking about society, na? Society's pressure. I think society's rules and regulation is made by only by men, according to me, according to my understanding. So we should break every types of rule, and you should make your rule. Because every hour, before 5 to 6 months, I searched about this type of rules. So I found that every types of rules and every types of books even, everything is made by only by men. And I was searching that religious books as well. I didn't find any religious book which has been made by any girls. So you can see this world is made by only by men. And this rules, every religion praise only men.
बहुत बड़ी बात.
Yes.
And so if you want to get freedom, so you should not think about society. You should break and you should make your own rule.
Exactly. Of course. And देखो it's a good message for girls that if you pack yourself, you will be dominated.
Yes, sir.
Be the queen and kind of do not let anybody dominate you. That's it.
Yeah, when you achieve your goals, that time people gives you respect and you set a good example.
ठीक है.
Can I speak more?
Sure.
Yeah. So One of the dangerous thing is belief. If you believe on society, then they will exploit you. Like one day I was saying Sati Pratha and a lot of things. So the girls was believing on it blindly. They were following blindly these rules, and they used to go in fire.
Yes.
You know, sir, it is very painful.
No, it was very painful.
They were following
And
blindly.
I think it was started by men.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It was
But
made
now it
by
has
men.
been finished completely, thanks God. But it was started by
Yeah.
the men. Okay.
So everything is made by men. It was rule, I think, when some men.
But we should break those rules which are violating us.
Yes. Sir.
You cannot say that we have to break all the
No,
rules
sir, I am not talking about all rules. I am talking about
which are violating
Yeah,
us. That's it.
But if I think that what is the what is the wrong rules? Girls are not able to understand what is wrong.
Nee,
rules.
there are some rules for girls which are very good, which must be acceptable.
But it is a problem, sir. It is a problem. When I go Asian time, that people was thinking that it is right, like you are thinking that it is right. So how can we measure that what is the right and what is the wrong, sir?
He said who would be the decider?
Everyone accept, like
Girls are easily accept the rule. That's why.
no, everyone accept.
Nee, that is no. The point is that is why I said that if that is violating you, if that is kind of hurting you, do not accept that. If you are comfortable in this, then it's okay, na? What is the problem? For example, if you want to be at home only, this is what you like.
But
Then you cannot say that this is the rule. It comes under the rule, but you are comfortable as well.
But sir, I want to say, when we born, then our society insert information, and when we grown up, then we accept all things.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. It is wrong. It is right. It is our society, like, and that's why when any boy take birth in Hindu, then he becomes Hindu. What is the reason? Do you think, sir? It is a game of our subconscious mind. Our society insert information and he make you.
Exactly.
And
If a baby is
there
born,
is a one.
Like society and just you can say our native and relation, they are not doing anything to comparison to us, which we are doing right now. They were thinking, just sir was saying like before some time, it may be like jealousy. They were thinking like that. So I think just you can like culture. There are lots of cultures, and according to cultures, they are making rules.
Yes.
How we can just you can say impose that rule on that person, so we can control.
and sometimes we do not want other people to be uplifted more than us.
Yes.
Like earlier it used to go between SC, OBC and general.
Yes.
General never wanted SC to be more than them. That is why they used to torture them a
It
lot.
was kind of jealousy. So that's why I said no.
हाँ,
And
तो नहीं अब फिर उसी पॉइंट पे आते हैं. हाउ डू यू सी यूथ्स? हम लोग भी यूथ्स हैं,
yes, sir.
तो क्या हम लोग इतने कमजोर हैं कि
No.
वी कैन लिसन?
No, we cannot listen. Like somebody says before some time, कि society is kind of mirror to
Oh.
see yourself in a society. But I was thinking about that, कि it is kind of wrong. Because if we are thinking like that, कि it is kind of mirror, and I am just stand in front of mirror, I am thinking कि who I am, and I am smiling, so that mirror would be react. But if I am becoming something else, just you can say do, and I had done some kind of makeup and some just like wearing some very good suit. So after that, I will be like looking like so beautiful.
But Mr. Nuralam, it is better to say, listen to me, how to generate that professional manifestation and subconscious mind. You are very professional, that is fine. But every morning, every noon, every evening, you are listening pyaz, dhania ki patti, lesun from the market and from your society. You cannot maintain your positive manifestation.
That's why somebody says कि
Somebody says or you say?
just listen, sir. No, somebody says I heard like somewhere.
Yes, we can understand
It's okay,
your...
sir. I am saying okay. Actually, if I'm not saying, I'm saying, so no one can accept it. Okay.
we
So
understand.
I'm saying, okay.
We have understood
I'm
your
saying
communication.
कि that I'm saying कि society and like somebody is saying कि you should do like that, you should do that, and but listen everyone. So be careful. कि what?
But do yours.
No. What that person is saying, just listen, be carefully. It would be good for us to can say like broaden our thought, but don't try to implement ourselves. Whatever you are thinking, it would be good for us. That thing you need to implement our.
We cannot maintain manifestation by that.
How so?
Any other answer, please?
If we are listening society.
Exactly. अरे हम अपने घर पे भी whenever we talk at our home and we listen this kind of sentences or words, we are unable to maintain our manifestation to become something special.
I think, sir, it is that's why.
I am studying and my father and mother fighting. That time I studied.
Never.
Because our mind is
Our mind is there.
Only for
Exactly.
Our mind is
Exactly.
distracted.
Not success is too difficult. If it was
Why
so
let-
easy, so everyone like would be able to gain success.
Sir, if we maintain our positive manifestation, it is already a success. How to refrain from listening?
We cannot refrain, but we can refrain ourselves from doing anything that will affect others. Like if you talk about your Ammi Jan, right? So as others will say, or things will come into your mind, but you should have a calmer mind before you apply to your actions. Think before you apply. Be it anywhere,
But it is not letting me apply, na? For example, many people are saying to my Ammi ki Kafo is like this. So if my Ammi will say, my Ammi will tell me, ki Kaf, you are doing like this. So I will not be able to apply my calmer mind.
But then you should be able to make yourself justify in terms of in front of your Ammi that trust me with your positive attitude that if I am like that, that you do whatever you want.
By making my Ammi trust ki Ammi believe this, my manifestation will be broken and I will not be able to focus what I am doing.
That comes with your calmer mind. Like you should be calm before applying anything, right?
If you don't come and do our calm.
Yeah, if you don't have a calmer mind, you definitely will have to deviate at any point of life. It cannot only be this. There will be definitely other situations which will test your limits, which will try to break up your calmness. And once that breakup is done, you will be deviated again. You will be disturbed that what will I do? The situation will come. But it depends on you how you perceive it. If you think with a calm mind and try to observe it, what are the things that I can take and what is the thing that I need to do now? Like if in terms someone calls me, someone tells me this thing, so I'll just memorize it, I'll just think of it twice. What are the things that I can do? If I does that, what will happen? And then I'll try to incorporate the things that I think this is the thing that best applies to me in this case. I'll do that. If I just disturb my mind.
This best thing can come after so many experiences and after having a lot of wisdom, right?
It can also come if you just don't apply or say do things directly. It is our habit. If someone says things to us, we directly apply things. We directly reward the things rather than just thinking ourselves in the mind.
ठीक है.
Like if someone says a bad word, I'll just directly reply it without even thinking what the thing was. I can take it in a more positive direction. Like once you told in the class that someone called Shah Rukh Khan as a chakka. You told the class. Now, he might, if in that particular case, Shah Rukh Khan just immediately replies, how can you say like that? He can say bad things about that person immediately. But he just pauses for a moment, thinks of his position, thinks of the reputation, and replies with a wise answer that everyone is now proud of Shah Rukh Khan. That is what comes, that think before you answer. Don't just reply in a forward manner. When you just think, your mind calms down and you will be able to apply a wiser and a better way to deal with that situation.
Fantastic. Wonderful. हाँ exactly यार देखो we all have to maintain that manifestation यार. Otherwise you know because of living in that society we can't do. मतलब ठीक है survive कर ले जाएंगे but एक solid इंसान we can never become. We cannot become a philanthropist.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we all have idea about when we go into the market for purchasing any vegetable, any fruit. That time just we think about there is two types of fruit. First fruit is fresh and second is rotten. So we always pick those fruit is not rotten. It is just only common.
Fresh.
So the fresh food.
But sometimes it is opposite as well.
Sir,
It is inexpensive, bhai de de.
Sir, no problem, sir. But it can be expensive, but it would be good for our health. The likewise, we should also consume those things. Those things is good for us. We should not implement those things. Those things would be effective for us. So it will be everything up to us. What thing we are implementing.
और ये चीज़ें डेली आपको विजडम भरा जाता है ताकि आप अपने लिए सॉलिड एक्शन ले पाएँ. गेटिंग द पॉइंट और नॉट? यस. So right now what is our step? Our step is to get job first of all.
Yes.
Right? After getting job तभी दिमाग और अच्छा चल पाएगा. वही मेन पेट्रोल है भाई हम लोग का. Get the point? You will have everything, but if you do not have that job, you will not be able to think even. कहते हैं our mind works according to our budget.
Really?
है कि नहीं? If you have 20 rupees, you will go on the road. Automatically आपका subconscious mind कहेगा पोली खा लो. Because you have 20 rupees. अगर आपके पास ढेर सारा पैसा भी 500 1000 है, ऑटोमेटिकली सबकॉन्शियस माइंड विल से बिरयानी खा लो. ऑटोमेटिकली आपका स्टेप ही जाएगा होटल में. ऑटोमेटिकली चलो आज बिरयानी खा लेते हैं.
According to money, your interest.
जैसे 20 रुपये पूड़ी खा लेते हैं.
According to situation.
तो इन फ्यूचर योर माइंड विल वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बजट. लेट अस मेंटेन द बजट नाइसली गाइस.
Definitely.
Exactly. Yes. All right.
Yes, sir.